Hi, this is our project about product planning and control. We are from group 14. My group member is Melin, Ahmad Syarun Hijri, Muhammad Akasha, Muhammad Amiruddin, and I, Muhammad Ashraf. For introduction, background of our project. This project is all about explore the operation function of existing business of a company. So we had chosen KJ Federation Sdn Berhad, which is an engineering firm located at Bukit Mertajam, Penang. We are acquainted with the production planning tools and techniques in the business, and we also acquainted with strategy for developing and managing high performing team. For objective of our project is to understand how a product or service is designed, produced and delivered to the customer, to have explored the spectrum of production planning and control activities conducted by the business, and last to learn to appreciate group dynamics in project works. Next, this is a background of KJ Filtration Neighborhood. This company established in the years 2006. Core business is air pollution division, provide one-step solution, offer competitive pricing and focus in areas specialization. And the last, serve the customer in the following industry manufacturer such as pharmaceutical, food, plastic, paper, cosmetics, foundry, woods, cement, steel, hospital, products, and automobile. So for the methodology, this is the organization chart. KJ is a small engineering firm with 20 to 30 employees. So you can see this director, sales department, engineering department, workshop, account, and the others. So for the job analysis, the director has the responsibility for determining and implementing the company policy. The sales manager responsible for achieving growth and hit sales target by successfully managing the sales team. Sales engineering need to prepare and deliver technical presentation explaining product or service to customer and prospective customer. Next, the engineering manager supervise and leads engineers. He also directs and coordinates fabrication, operation, quality assurance, testing, installation and maintenance for each project. The engineer prepare plans with detailed drawing that include project specification and cost estimates. The workshop superintendents prepare, supervise and control workshop activities. The technician have to do mechanical works to bring the products to reality. The accountants have to prepare asset, liability and capital accounts entries by compiling and analyzing account information of KIJ prestations neighborhood. And last, the purchaser submit purchase order by their company policies and also verify that the order has been placed and the delivery has occurred.
Job descriptions. The director responsible for supervising and organizing the management team. The sales manager responsible for supervising and organizing the sales team. The sales engineer has to specialize in technologically and scientifically advanced product. The engineering manager responsible for the design and testing of solutions. The engineer will design and draft out the equipment specification and the duct system that meet the client needs. Workshop superintendent will coordinate and direct the service department technician for maximum efficiency and productivity while overseeing all fabrication work to ensure the highest quality of customer service. The technician have to do all the mechanical work such as welding and grinding to ensure the fabrication of the equipment. The accountant have to prepare balance sheets, profit and loss statement and other financial report. The purchaser responsible for coordinating purchases of various products and services for the company. Facility layouts. KIJ Filtration is a facility with 2 units double-story light industrial factory. At the ground floor, there are storeroom, workshop 1 and workshop 2. And at the first floor, there are new office, document room, meeting room, storeroom and office. For the plan, standard operating procedure SOP for the project involving air pollution control equipment system start with PO receive, and finish at collection of payment. Policy statements. Safety policy. KIJ is committed so far as reasonably practicable to provide a safe and healthy working environment for all their employees, so they will make every effort in areas of safety and health education, accident prevention, hazard control, injury prevention, health preservation and promotion to ensure the safety of the workplace. Philosophy. KIJ philosophy is quality first, customer first, and credibility first.
This is the standard schedule for each involving air pollution control equipment system. Once received the PO, the project head needs to open a new project file with the work order number to compile all the related documents. After that, the project head needs to conduct a kick-off meeting with the subcontractor, main contractor or end user to confirm all the specification and design. The meeting minutes must be signed by all participants. Then the engineers start dealing with the project head and workshop head about the material delivery or subcontractor schedule review for the Gantt chart preparation. For phase 2, material PO or subcontractor PO needs to be issued accordingly. Engineer and project head has to monitor the progress and update the Gantt chart to customer. The continued internal routine meeting is needed on the related project. Before installation, the engineer and project head need to visit the site 1 to 2 weeks earlier. The allocation of labor and technician need to be confirmed earlier, and the project head needs to monitor the installation progress. After installation, testing and commissions on the system will be conducted. The last phase is the project handover, where related documents and manual will be submitted to the end user. Then the project file will be closed and kept for future reference. In KIJ filtration, operation management is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within the firm. The KIJ operation management teams attempt to balance cost with revenue to achieve the highest net operating profile possible. Operation management involves utilizing resources from staff, materials, equipment, and technology. Operation manager acquire, develop, and deliver goods to client based on client needs and the abilities of the company. Operation management in KIJ filtration handles various strategic issues, including determining the capacity of air pollution control system, project management methods, and implementing the structure of information technology networks.
This is about the operating function and design. The operation function is responsible for producing products and delivering services. It needs the support and input from other areas of the organization. The flowchart below shows the operation function of KIJ. Involve the conversion of input into the output. In KIJ filtration, the input is the material, machines, labors, and management. For examples, the material are galvanized iron ducts, PVC, and others. The fabrication and welding process will transform the materials into the air pollution control system. For example, by welding, the galvanized iron ducts will transform into a ducting system that transport the polluted air to the air pollution control equipment. After installation, the output, which is the air pollution control system, will be permanently installed on the site. So basically, the flowchart involve input, transformation process, and output. Input contain with materials, labels, machines, and management. So the transformation process, which is fabrication, welding, and installation. And lastly, the output, air pollution control and equipment system. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Sharul Hijri bin Obaka, number metric A160266, and I'm going to talk about operation strategy, recommendation, and conclusion. Okay, for operation strategy. Operation strategy is a plan specifying how an organization will allocate resources in order to support infrastructure and production. To achieve the best operation practice, KIJ Filtration, our company, practices the continual development of new products and services. KIJ Filtration also tries to increase the labor costs and decrease availability. Helping the employees develop their career path training, KIG Filtration bridged the manager talent gap. KIG Filtration knows the importance of continuous improvement objectives and teams, so KIG practices continually review. As a conclusion, KIG Filtration Sidang Berhad is a leader in technological solution and provide total water management, including design, upgrade water, and wastewater treatment facilities for the general industries. They also have staff with highly experienced personnel in business development, marketing, and project management. The project that this company handle is very useful for industries such as water recycle and industrial water. They also provide eco-sustainable approach by leveraging and innovative ideas and technologies. So our recommendation for the companies are to build relationship between the customers, not just monitor the growth of the customer, but also the level of satisfaction for them. Next, to empower the employees. The employees of the company hire more or less determine the pace of growth of the business. So the better talent we hire, the better result we can expect. Next, to build strong long-term strategy. Have a long-term strategic plan that includes well-defined goals and the way to achieving these goals, and also to introduce the strategy to the employees, partners, and investors, and to discuss with them the way we can achieve the goal faster and more effectively. And next is the workforce and operational excellence. It is an important reason for acquisitions in the many industries, and especially collision repair, is to acquire the workforce in the place at the target company. In fact, the existing management team and workforce in place is one of the major drivers of goodwill in an acquisition. Next is for the location and the market. As in many retail businesses, physical location is important, but more important is the market. For example, a business that operates in areas that have a growing population tend to be valued at a premium relative to business with operation in stagnant or declining population areas. Similarly, business with operation in higher socioeconomic areas tend to be valued at a premium relative to business and operating in lower socioeconomic areas. In general, the larger the potential market a business can sell into, the more valuable the business becomes. Thank you.